Today I'm going to share with you how you can flip domains online over and over and over again. A bit like this over here. Domain 1 was bought for $10 and sold for $149. Domain 2, again $10, sold for $99. Domain 3, $10 and $79. Now for this we use free tools. So step 1 is we come over to this website here and we can find, as you can see down here, there's over 82,000 domains. So we scroll through, we have a look, we see which ones are available, a bit like this one here. You can see this is currently available. If I click on here, we can see, look, I can purchase this right now for £10.99. So in dollars, that's a little less than $15. Now I know that I can purchase this, I want to know roughly how much this domain is worth. So we use an appraisal tool like this one over here, and we can see that domain has an estimated value of $151 from purchasing it for this price over here. So you can see here, this method for making money online, it's simple, it's easy, and I'm going to walk you through this entire process step by step. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going over another simple way to make money online and from home, and with this method we're looking at today, it can be done from anywhere in the world. You don't need any skills, you definitely don't need experience, and it doesn't take up a lot of time either, and it's pretty much all free. So, well, obviously except for buying the domain name in the beginning, but you can do this for less than $10 as I showed you at the beginning of this video. Now really quickly, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. All I ask is if you find this video useful, please give it a like. If you have any comments or questions, comment down below and let me know. And if you want, more resources for earning money and working from home, there's a link down below. You can get all of my courses for free. I have a YouTube course, I have an affiliate marketing course. Over on the blog here, we've got lots of articles, whether you want to work online, whether you want to work from home. I have an interview series, and I also have a membership area, which you can get absolutely for free, because believe it or not, making money online is possible. So with all of that out of the way, let's dive into today's video. And at the end of the video, I'll share with you a course which, I recommend it. It's literally less than, in the UK, it's about £10. It's pretty good really. But we'll walk through this over here first. So how do we find domains? So this website over here is called Expireddomains.net. You can create an account for free. So go over here, create an account. I'm going to log in and show you this now. So on the inside, this is what it looks like. Now, don't let this overwhelm you, because at first you might be thinking, bloody hell, this looks, it looks really hard. It doesn't have to. Over here, we've got deleted domains, we've got marketplace domains, and we've also got research lists. And look, they've got a short introduction here, and if you want to go through that, you just simply click on this introduction here, and it literally just walks you through all of this. But I'll give you the short version. If we come over here and we've got deleted domains, we've got .com, .net, .org, etc, etc. So when we're looking at flipping domains, you want to be focusing on this one over here and predominantly this one. And we'll click on here and we can see, you can go into here, into the year, and you can go into the months, and you can see, look, the number of domains which are, deleting, expiring, it's just insane. There's there's hundreds of thousands of these expiring all of the time. Now you can come in here and you can literally, if you wanted to do this, you could go through this boring process. You can see we're on page 1 of 39,000. So, this would take a hell of a lot of time to do this. So a little tip for you is, if we come up to the top here, you see this here? We have got backlinks to that domain. So that means other websites and other domains pointing into this expired domain over here. And then there's lots more variations in here. You can see the birth year the domain was created, basically, so when it was registered, and we've got lots more in here. And when it was dropped, the status, if it's available, and yeah, you can basically click on any of these and it will tell you, what it is. So if you don't know what any of these is, then literally just hover your mouse over and it will tell you. Now with this method, you see this over here, obviously this is backlinks. So if we click on there, it now filters it like this. So these domains over here, you can see number of backlinks. So I mean, some of these domains, it's pretty insane the sheer number and volume of backlinks they have pointing at them. So one point in time, some of these domain names up here, this could have been an online, well, it was at some point, it could have been an online blog, it could have been an online website, it could have been a niche blog, a niche category, anything basically. But you can see they have a hell of a lot of backlinks pointing into that domain. Now, this is a great method because if we can find a domain which is over here available, and it's in a certain category or a niche, and it's got a lot of backlinks pointing to that, we can make money in a number of ways. We can simply buy that domain and flip it, and I'll show you some websites where you can do that. But you can also, you could build a blog or a website using this domain, and right off the bat, you're going to have a lot of authority because we have got backlinks pointing to this. And also, if you did that, you could also flip that blog or website. So there's a number of ways that you can make money with this method. So all we do here is, if you like the look of any of these, we check out if they're available. So let's just have another look. Let's just go on to the next page and we'll go down and just see if we can find something, you know, which makes a bit more sense than just these random numbers and random words over here. So we're going to go down and in fact, where's the one? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to search for the one that I found at the beginning of this video here, this Pac-Man one. Because I did find it at the beginning of the video. And then I came out with the video. So if I come in here, I'm just going to type in here and I'm going to click in, sorry, I'm going to come onto domains and we're going to, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to search that up here. I'm going to click on search. And you can see here, there's actually two of these listed. So we've got this one here and we've got this one here. As I showed you at the beginning, they're both available. So you can filter this, you know, you can search, even if you want to search for, you know, a certain category, we could just go with, let's just say, and online, like so, and look, now it will bring up domains with that keyword in the domain name. So look, we've got earn-online.org, and we've got up here the number of characters in the domain name. So, you know, it's, how many was that? 11 or 16. I mean, look at this one here, backlinks, 245 backlinks into there. Now you can see over here, that's not available. Basically, somebody's purchased that and they've currently got it on a bidding offer, a bid, or like when I think of bids, I think of eBay. So, you know, people are making bids on this and the highest bidder will obviously go ahead and get that domain. Now let's just filter this via backlinks up here and look at all of these. We can see we've got lots. I mean, look at this, learn all about it online.com. That's a bit bizarre. Learning online. So you can see here, look, they've taken, because we've put earn online, it's got a mix of both of these. So we've got this one here, look, earn online highschooldiploma.com. 3,000 backlinks pointing to this. And we can see over here, it says available. So even if it says available, you need to double check this. So we'll click on here and it will open up. Now you can go and check this out on Godaddy, this one here, and also Namecheap. So just click on any one of them. So for this, we'll click on Godaddy. And it's going to take us over there in a second. And look, it's available for £10.99. So that's in, I think that's about $13, $14, something like that. So now we know it's available. Now we're going to go ahead and check that out. So where's it gone? Where's it gone? I've already forgot it. Earn Online High School Diploma. This one over here. 3,000 backlinks and it's available. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and check that out over here on this tool over here. So, oh no, that's that one. Let's come into this website here, into the appraisal tool. So let's go ahead, highlight this, and we'll put this into the Godaddy appraisal tool. I'm going to click on paste and go. And you can see here it says that its estimated value is less than $100. And then over here on the right hand side, you can also compare domains sold with, you know, a similar or a relative keyword to this. So you can go ahead and have a look at these. Now the other thing you can use, I mean, this is just one appraisal tool online. There's many more of these domain appraisals. One that comes to mind is SDBot. You can go over to this one over here, SDBot. And you can come over to this one here, look, SDBot, free domain appraisal. You can come into this one over here, and again, literally paste the domain in and click on appraise. There's a few of these that you can go ahead and use, but SDBot, GoDaddy Domains, and there's a couple of other different ones that you know, if you do a bit of research, you can find out about them. So this is the process. We use this over here, which is called Expireddomains.net. We then see if it's available. Once it's available over here, over on Godaddy or whichever website you clicked on from this drop down box here, whichever one of these you click on, you see if it's available. Then you go over to Godaddy Appraisals, like we looked at, or you can use SDBot or any of these online ones. Once you find one you like the look of, you go ahead and you click on Get It. So i.e. you purchase that, and then once you've purchased that, you can do whatever you like with that. So you have a few options here. If you wanted to straight flip it the same day, you can go into Godaddy, and they have the marketplace. So you can go into Godaddy and sell that over in Godaddy. You can go over onto platforms like, believe it or not, you can even sell domain names over on eBay. There's Facebook groups for this, but you can also use websites like this one over here. This is called snapnames.com. So you can come in here and you can sell on here. You can also buy on here. There's daily deals and lots more. So you can flip that domain over on this website here. Another one that you can use is, where's it gone? This one over here, and it's called flipper.com. Now over on this website, you can not just sell domains, you can buy them, you can sell them, you can do websites on here. There's lots more that you can do over on this website here. So you can come over here and list that domain name on here. So if you click on browse, look, we've got websites, we've got e-commerce, all of these different things here. These are where people are buying and selling. If we come over to domains, we can search all domains. So we can search for .com names, .org, .io, .net. So if we just go into .com, we'll click on there and let this load up, and look, we can scroll. I mean, look at this asking price, $50,000 for a domain, and it's purely a domain that people are selling and buying. We've got one here, look, for sale. It's got 13 bids, $105, $10,000. Yeah, you can make some ridiculous money with this. Now, these ones here where you can see subtitle.com asking price nearly $50,000. I'm not saying that, excuse me, I'm not saying that you're going to find them over here, but you can find, and when I say this, you've got to be active in this, you can find some absolutely awesome products, awesome domain names on here, which people, they just, they forget about them for an instance. So a classic example of that is, I have, from memory, about 26 domains, something like that, and out of the 26, I have 9 of them on niche blogs and websites. Now, if I was to forget about one of them, i.e. I didn't renew that when it come up to paying for it again in another year or 3 years, that domain would become available. Somebody might have, at one point, if I come back over here, they might have, had a great idea about creating a blog or a website about custody law, and, they were working on this, and then, they just lost interest. They could also sell it this way. There's a number of reasons why domains come up for sale. But if you use this website over here and you are active on it, you can find some absolutely awesome things on here. You could even take it a step further, and you could go over onto a platform like ClickBank in affiliate marketing. You could, let's just go with weight loss, for example. Weight loss. You could find, a relative affiliate product. You could come over here, you could find, a domain name, and you could literally, in some examples, you could just forward that domain name onto an affiliate product. You could, there's so many different ways that you can make money with domain names. So look, that is pretty much how we go ahead and use this site over here. Expired domains, we use appraisal tools online, and then we can flip that domain name on a number of sites like Flipper, like Godaddy, like Snapnames, as I've mentioned, eBay, different Facebook groups, and lots more. If you like the idea of making money flipping domains, I'll drop a link below to this blog article I created previously. This is a course, and it's called Get Domains, and I did a full product review on this. I did a video, I show you everything that's included in this. I threw in some different bonuses, so if you did pick it up using that link on here, that's an affiliate link, so I will earn a commission for this. But I've thrown in some different bonuses. There's this one here, how you can make money on Fiverr, and a couple more, how to make money with domains, and there's a few other bonuses in there. But in terms of the actual course, if I scroll down here, and let me drag this down for you. It's very, very cheap, and it's all backed by proof. So come down here, you can see, look, the actual cost, get domains cost, it's $12.95. It's got 12 over the shoulder videos showing you exactly how to buy and sell domains. The guy who created this course is called Bobby D. He's not an online, he's a full-time police officer, and he does this in his, in his spare time, part-time, and he makes money from literally flipping domains. So it's a decent course, it's relatively cheap, and it'll just walk you through this whole process, in a lot more thorough. It shows you how he finds domains, different estimated bots and appraisal tools he uses, and lots more. So I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. But overall, that is how you make money flipping domains. So we look on websites like, this isn't the only one, by the way. You can come over here, expired domains, we go through, we see if it's available. If it's available, we go ahead and find out roughly how much it's worth. Once we've found that out, we then purchase that domain. And once we have the domain, we can simply flip it. In some cases, you can flip it the very next day. So look, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.